coordination committee, we are yet to fix any agenda. So that day in the meeting we will discuss whatever issues bringing in by any partners. I think we will discuss and then we'll take a call and decide accordingly. Whatever issues, whatever important issues, we will take it up in the coordination committee of the MDA, and that will be held on the 26th of this month, means day after tomorrow. In the government, I think from the BJP, they are there. One is the head and number two is San Bosula. They are there. So they are the representative of the BJP. We don't neglect anybody. As partners, we are part and parcel and we are jointly responsible for any programs, any decision taken by the government. I've already told you that, okay, if BJP feels that to be part of the NDA government is uncomfortable, I advise them to leave the NDA government. I think I've made it very clear. Very clearly I made that. So now I won't have anything to say. Let the coordination committee sit on the 26th, then you will be updated, whatever discussion to be held on that evening.